In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the Microsoft OneDrive icon on your Windows taskbar. If your OneDrive cloud icon keeps hiding or you don't see it at a glance, this quick walkthrough will make it always visible in the notification area, also known as the system tray. This is helpful because the icon lets you check sync status, pause syncing, and open your OneDrive folder in a single click. Start on your desktop and click the Windows Start button. From there, click on Settings to open the Windows Settings app. If your settings window opens in a compact view, don't worry, everything we need is still in the same place. Inside Settings, click on Personalization. This section controls how Windows looks and feels, including themes, colors, and importantly for us, the taskbar. On the left side of the personalization window, click on Taskbar. You'll see a range of options that control what appears and how it behaves. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Notification Area. This is where Windows manages which icons appear next to the clock. Click on Select which icons appear on the taskbar. This opens a list of apps and services that can show their icons in the tray. Find Microsoft OneDrive in the list and turn it on. When the switch is on, Windows will always show the OneDrive icon in the taskbar notification area. This prevents it from being tucked away behind the little arrow that hides extra icons. If you're curious, that arrow still works the same way, but enabling this toggle keeps OneDrive up front so you can see sync progress and alerts immediately. Once you turn it on, glance at the bottom right corner of your screen and you should see the OneDrive cloud icon appear. If it's already there, this setting makes sure it stays visible. If you don't see OneDrive listed, it usually means the app isn't running at the moment. After OneDrive is running, it will show up here and you can return to this screen to enable it. That's all there is to it. You clicked Start, opened Settings, went into Personalization, selected Taskbar on the left, scrolled to the notification area, chose Select which icons appear on the taskbar, and turned on Microsoft OneDrive. With that set, you'll have quick, reliable access to your files and sync status right from the taskbar.